Hey guys, this is Tim Dawson from Edmunds Automotive. Today I got a 2016 Chevy Colorado 4x4. This truck's in excellent condition. It's been through our shop and completed a 150-point inspection. I'm going to walk you around this truck and show you some features on it real fast. Obviously white in color, paint's in extremely good shape, no major dents or scratches on it. Plenty of tread left on the tires as well. Got the nice chrome running boards on the bottom. This truck's very clean inside and out. There's no cigarette burns in the seat. This truck is also a non-smoker as well too. No funny smells in here. No cracks or fading in the dash. This truck is also going to have the remaining of the factory warranty as well too. You're going to have a 60,000 mile powertrain warranty on this truck. Here's a good shot of your back seat. Again, no rips or tears back here as well. We also have financing available with rates as low as 4.24. Again, this truck is four-wheel drive. Another shot of your rims and tires. Plenty of tread left on the tires. This truck is equipped with a tow package, so if you need to pull something, you're going to be able to do that. You also have the nice spray and bed liner in here too, which is always nice to have. All right, here's a good shot of your driver's seat. You're going to have a power seat there. This truck is also equipped with remote start as well. Super nice to have. You got the nice backup camera there. Got all your AC controls there. Good shot of your steering wheel. Cruise control, Bluetooth. Truck currently has 47,000 miles on it. It's been through our shops, completed a 150-point inspection on it. Truck's ready to go. If you have any questions on this truck, please give me a call or text at 309-310-3034. Thank you.